Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I show you in today's video how to achieve what I am calling a simple glam look for Thanksgiving Day. It may look like it's difficult and has a lot of steps, but I show you step by step how to achieve this look, like the eyes and that kind of thing. So if you want to see how I did it, make sure you keep on watching. But before we get into the tutorial, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so let's go ahead and get into the look. So I'm still going to explain what I'm doing as I'm doing this tutorial, but I kind of want to make this a little bit more chatty because I also enjoy watching those videos. Let me know if you like this style as well. But today we are going to be using the Dream St palette to create our Thanksgiving look. I have used this palette in a look before. I'll make sure I leave it linked down below, but obviously it was a different look. That's why, we're doing a different video. So to start out with, I'm going to be taking this very dirty brush that I should have washed, but I didn't. Maybe I'll do that today. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is Twinkle. It's just this cool tone brown, and put that in my transition area. So I kind of want to know, let me know in the comments, what are your guys' plans for Thanksgiving? Like, do you do anything, that some people might consider different, like not necessarily traditional? I want to know. Let me know. Or if you're spending time with family too, that's also great. That is my plan for Thanksgiving. I'm looking forward to it. So spending time with family is always a good time. Next, I'm going to be taking this Sigma E34 brush, and I'm going to be taking this dark matte brown right now and putting that in my outer crease, but also in my my outer V area, and then also my crease area. Just putting on the brush and then tapping off the excess. So I'm filming this on Friday. Let me adjust my mirror again. Yeah, anyway. So I'm filming this on Friday, and Imagine Dragons just released their new album, Origins. And let me tell you, I'm very excited. I've already listened to the entire album twice through. And it's, the afternoon whenever I'm filming this, so you could say I'm a fan. You could say I'm excited. Like, I was not expecting them to release a new album until next year, because it seems like they do release an album every 2 years. But let me tell you, I'm here for it. I'm real excited. Very pleased. I'm ready to see them again on tour. And then, just do my other eye. Also, it's crazy to me that Thanksgiving is next week. Well, whenever this video is up, Thanksgiving will be next week, so I'm gonna go ahead and pretend like it is. Yeah, that's just crazy. Okay, so I would just like to take a second to appreciate this, because I'm very proud with how it's turned out so far without blending. Maybe if I don't, obviously I'm concentrating on what I'm doing, but I feel like maybe if I'm just talk about something else and distract myself, maybe that is the key. But also, these are just really good shadows, clearly. Yeah, my friend gave me this palette, so I can't remember, I'm not sure how much it costs. I definitely will make sure to link it down below, but I know that it's very affordable. I feel like it's around $15 or something like that. So all over my lid, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is Shooting Star, and I'm going to be using the E52 to apply that with. Y'all know I love my Sigma brushes, and yeah, I'm just a big fan. I highly recommend those. I will make sure that I leave those linked down below as well. Basically, always check out the description box, because I will make sure to leave linked the items that I can. Sometimes I might not be able to find it online. Sorry if that beeping is annoying, but let's just work through it. So if I can't find it online, obviously I won't link it, but if I can, I will make sure to link it for you guys in case you're curious. So now I'm going to be taking the E40, which is Sigma as well, and just kind of blend this all together. I know I seem to be, not impressed, but anyway, I just gotta say, these shadows blend beautifully, and I highly recommend this palette. It's the Dream St palette. It's the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights collaboration. It's very loud outside, but let's just pretend like that's not happening. And then as a pop of color, I'm going to be taking this teal shade right here, which is the color Kaleidoscope, and putting that on my lower lash line with this brush right here. You could leave the eyeshadows as it is, but this is just a fun color, so I kind of wanted to include that in this look. And just gently press it on my lower lash line. Also, I never prime my lower lash line. You can if you want, but I feel that the shadows just kind of stay there because, you know, obviously on my upper eyelid with blinking and stuff like that, obviously there's a potential of it creasing, but it just kind of stays there on the lower lash line. But as I said, you can prime that if you want to. If you prime this, to be honest, it might actually make the color a little bit more vibrant. Now I'm kind of curious. I mean, you can still see that it's teal, but I feel like if you primed your eyes, it would just stand out a lot more. So that is it with eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with mascara, and I always curl my eyelashes first. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is this Little Baby It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which you all should know that this is my favorite mascara of all times. I just have a little trial size right now, but I also have the full size that I got in my BoxyCharm that I'm very happy about. Let me tell you, this is one of my all-time favorite makeup products. Like, this is top 3 for sure. And I just recommend it to everyone. I can't help myself. So remember that one video where I said that I always forget to, like, the order of doing my makeup? Like, normally I would go ahead and set my face now, or I would continue with my face makeup. Yeah, I just got real excited about mascara. So here we are. Here we are. I mean, you can still set your face with mascara on, but I just prefer to do it beforehand. Also, I failed to mention that I had, before starting this tutorial, doing a great job here, Hannah. I had most of my base makeup on, obviously, and I did have contour on. I used the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer as my contour. I forgot to highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to take this shade right here, Elfish, and take the same brush that I used to apply that lid color with and just highlight my brow bone because I feel like it. This would be easier if I did it before my mascara though, so I don't have to worry about my mascara smudging, but here we are. I live life on the edge. Cool, I like that. So now I'm going to finish the rest of my face makeup, and I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette. It has a bronzer, I would call this. I wouldn't call this a contour, at least from me, because this is a little bit warmer. And then it has a highlight and a blush as well. I am going to be taking one of the crown brushes that I got in my FabFitFun box. And this is a very pigmented blush, so you don't have to use much. But it is a very pretty warm color that I feel like goes well with my eyeshadow look today. I'm gonna kind of blend that blush and bronzer together with this fluffy crown brush. Also, I have really sensitive skin, and I just scratched like my upper lip area, so that's why that's red. It happens. I am going to be taking this It Cosmetics fan brush with the center shade here and just highlight. So I feel like this is a little bit more glam than I was planning on. Maybe it's just because that mascara is so great. I mean, it can't help itself. But I would still wear this to Thanksgiving dinner. I mean, I think it's pretty. For lips though, I am keeping that simple. I'm just going to be taking this Urban Decay lip liner in the shade Naked. And then I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amulet. I'm going to line my lips as usual and then fill them in. Now I'm gonna set my face with Urban Decay All Under Setting Spray. And then that is the completed look. Here's an up close of the eyes. As I was saying, it turned out to be a little bit more glam than I was planning on, but I feel like it's simple glam. You following me? Like, this lipstick lasts pretty long, so I would still say it'd be okay to wear at family dinner. If you don't want to, like, you don't have to. Even if you don't use this look for Thanksgiving, I think that it's still a beautiful fall look as well. Let me know if you liked this video by giving it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Make sure you hit the bell notifications though, so that way you'll get notified whenever I post. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.